morning, Kimberly. Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. As promised, here is your video showcasing the beautiful hyper white limited Palisade, brand new vehicle, Hyundai's first full-size SUV. It just came off the truck yesterday, so let's check it out, shall we? Beautiful diamond cut honeycomb cascading grille with the adaptive cruise control. We got the LED wraparound headlights, the LED daytime running lights. We got the 20-inch premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection, keyless remote entry. This, of course, has the captain's seats in the second row, as all limiteds do. 3 rows. All the safety features you can ever ask for. Your lane keep assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, blind spot detection, forward collision avoidance, 360 camera, 2 sunroofs, heated and ventilated first and second row seats, built-in navigation, heads-up display, blind spot monitoring camera, you name it. This thing is loaded. But the best part about our vehicles, Kimberly, are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we double here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Unheard of. Give me a call. I'll be the one working with you. I just sent you a text. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. You're here at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.